everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Today, we will talk about a very important health problem, bone and joint pain, a new safe treatment called PAMP therapy. First, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever felt pain in your knees or back? Or maybe someone in your family does? If yes, you are not alone. More than 1.7 billion people around the world suffer from painful bone and joint problems. That is almost 1 in 4 people on earth. This pain stops people from doing daily activities like walking, working, or sleeping well. So what do doctor usually do? Most of the time they give me medicine or recommend surgery. But disease treatment have big risks. Medicines can cause bad side effects. Long-term painkillers can cause addiction. And surgery is expensive and dangerous. Because of this, scientists are now looking for safer options. One of the best new options is called PMP therapy, pulse electromagnetic field therapy. It uses safe, low energy magnetic wave to reduce pain without drugs and without surgery. However, there is still one problem. Different studies use different wave to setting, so there is no standard guideline yet for doctors to follow. Our presentation today will explain this problem clearly and show you how PMP therapy can help millions of people live pain-free lives. Now, let me hand over to our next speaker.
Thank you, Fauzi. Now I will explain why so many people suffer from bone and joint pain and why is it so hard to treat. There are four main causes. First, worn out joints. As we get older, the soft tissue between our bones becomes thinner. This causes friction and pain, especially in the knees and back. Second, constant swelling. When we get injured, the body swells up. But sometimes the swelling never goes away. This causes long-term inflammation and constant pain. Third, body strain. People who do heavy lifting, repetitive movements, or who have been in accidents, they slowly damage their muscles and joints. Over time, this becomes chronic pain. Fourth, bad blood flow. When muscles are too tight, they don't get enough oxygen. This causes cramps and long-lasting pain. Now, why is it so hard to fix? There are three contributing factors. Factor 1, risky medicines. Current drugs and surgeries can cause bad side effects like liver damage, stomach problems, or addiction. They are risky and expensive. Factor 2, huge global burden. 1.7 billion people are affected. They cannot work, their quality of life goes down, and it costs billions of dollars in healthcare every year. This is a global crisis. Factor 3, confusing science. Scientists have studied PEMF therapy, but every study uses completely different settings, different frequency, different intensity. Because of this, doctors cannot agree on one standard plan. So, in summary, bone and joint pain is caused by physical wear, inflammation, injury, and poor blood flow. And the problem is made worse by risky treatments and inconsistent research. Now, let me pass to our third speaker.
Thank you, Farisa. In the last part, I will explain the impacts of this problem and then the solution. The impact. First, economic impact. Chronic pain costs families and hospitals a lot of money. Many people cannot work, so they lose income. Governments spend millions of healthcare. the financial burden is very heavy. Second, social impact. Pain limits daily activities. People feel isolated. There is also higher risk of painkiller addiction, which creates more problem for families and communities. Third, educational impact. Because there is no standard treatment for PMF, it's very hard to teach medical students about this therapy. Doctors graduate without clear knowledge of how to use it. Fourth, biological impact. Long-term swelling and poor blood flow can permanently damage body tissues. If not treated early and properly, the damage can be very serious. Next, the solution. Now, we can do. There are three solutions. Solution 1. Use PMF instead of drugs. PMF therapy is a safe, drug-free option. It uses low-energy magnetic waves to reduce pain and inflammation, with no dangerous side effect and no risk addiction. Solution 2. Standardize the wave settings based on current research. The best settings are a frequency between 8 Hz and 50 Hz and intensity between 20 Gauss and 3.2 meters. If all doctors follow the same settings, we can create clear and reliable treatment plan for patients worldwide. Solution 3. Treat injuries early. Apply PMF therapy early, before the problem gets worse. Early treatment can quickly improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and speed up the body's natural healing. Next, conclusion. To close our presentation, let's summarize. Chronic bone and joint pain affect 1.7 billion people worldwide. It causes heavy financial strain and physical limitation that affect every part of life. Traditional treatments like surgery and long-term medication are risky. They have severe side effects and can cause addiction. PMF therapy is a safe, drug-free alternative. It uses low energy magnetic waves to reduce swelling, improve blood effect, and speed up healing, without the dangers of the drug or surgery. To get the best result, doctors should use PAMF therapy early, and research should standardize treatment settings, specifically 8 Hz to 50 Hz frequency and 20 Gauss to 3.2 meter intensity. We believe that with proper guidelines and wider use of PMF therapy, millions of people around the world can live healthier and pain-free lives. Thank you very much